Homes Decor Designs, where we'll explore the art of creating captivating outdoor spaces that seamlessly blend style and functionality. Today, we delve into the sophisticated world of modern courtyard garden ideas. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Courtyard garden, these intimate outdoor spaces offer a unique blend of style, functionality, and tranquility, transforming even the most compact areas into verdant havens. Let's explore what defines a modern courtyard garden and how you can create your own. To begin, let us define what exactly constitutes a modern courtyard garden. At its core, a courtyard garden is an outdoor space enclosed by walls. These could be the walls of your home, neighboring buildings, or carefully constructed boundary fences. The modern aspect of this design style lies in its adherence to clean lines, minimalist aesthetics, and the thoughtful integration of contemporary materials and design principles. Unlike more traditional gardens that might emphasize ornate features and abundant, unstructured planting, a modern courtyard garden typically embraces simplicity, functionality, and a harmonious balance between hardscaping and softscaping. You will often see a deliberate use of geometric shapes, a restrained color palette, and an emphasis on creating distinct zones within the limited space. The goal is to craft an outdoor extension of the modern home, a place for relaxation, entertainment, and a connection with nature, all within a visually cohesive and uncluttered framework. Now, let's consider the advantages of opting for a modern courtyard garden design. One significant benefit is the maximization of limited space. In urban environments or smaller properties, a courtyard garden offers a valuable outdoor retreat without requiring extensive land. The enclosed nature provides a sense of privacy and seclusion, creating a peaceful sanctuary shielded from the hustle and bustle of the outside world. Furthermore, modern designs often prioritize low maintenance. The strategic use of hardscaping, such as paving, decking, and architectural features, coupled with carefully selected, often drought-tolerant plants, can significantly reduce the time and effort required for upkeep. Aesthetically, a well-executed modern courtyard garden enhances the overall appeal and value of your property, creating a seamless transition between indoor and outdoor living spaces. The clean and sophisticated style is timeless and can be easily adapted to complement various architectural styles. Finally, these gardens can be incredibly versatile, serving as outdoor dining areas, relaxation lounges, or even compact kitchen gardens, tailored to your specific lifestyle needs. Decorating your modern courtyard garden to achieve an aesthetically pleasing and functional space requires careful consideration of several elements. Start by defining the layout. Consider the flow of movement and designate zones for different purposes, such as seating, dining, or planting. Opt for clean and simple hardscaping materials like concrete pavers, natural stone slabs, or composite decking. Vertical elements are crucial in maximizing space. Think about incorporating living walls, vertical planters, or elegant screens. When selecting furniture, choose pieces with sleek lines and neutral colors, often made from materials like metal, wicker, or treated wood. Introduce focal points, such as a striking water feature, a sculptural element, or a specimen plant in a stylish container. Lighting plays a vital role in extending the usability of your courtyard into the evening. Consider a combination of ambient lighting, task lighting for dining areas, and accent lighting to highlight architectural features or plants. Finally, keep the overall design uncluttered. Embrace negative space and avoid overcrowding the area with too many decorative items. The key is to create a sense of calm and sophistication through thoughtful curation and a focus on quality over quantity. What the best items for modern courtyard garden? Selecting the right items is essential for creating a functional and visually appealing modern courtyard garden. Here are some of the best elements to consider incorporating. First, sleek outdoor furniture. Opt for modular sofas, minimalist dining sets, or comfortable lounge chairs with clean lines and neutral upholstery. Materials like powder-coated aluminum, teak, or all-weather wicker are excellent choices. Second, statement planters. Choose large, geometric planters made from concrete, terracotta, or metal in neutral tones. Consider varying sizes and shapes to add visual interest. Third, water features. A modern water feature, such as a wall-mounted fountain, a simple pond, or a sculptural cascade, can add a soothing ambience and a focal point. Fourth, architectural lighting. Incorporate stylish outdoor lighting fixtures, including wall sconces, spotlights, and string lights, to enhance the atmosphere and functionality after dark. Fifth, outdoor rugs. Durable outdoor rugs in geometric patterns or solid neutral colors can define seating areas and add texture underfoot. Sixth, privacy screens. Modern privacy screens made from wood, metal, or composite materials can create secluded zones and add an architectural element. Seventh, vertical planters or living walls. These are excellent for maximizing planting space in compact courtyards and adding a vibrant green element. Eighth, sculptural elements. A carefully chosen piece of outdoor art or a unique sculptural element can serve as a striking focal point. Ninth, fire pits or outdoor heaters. For extending the usability of your courtyard into cooler evenings, consider a modern fire pit or a sleek outdoor heater. 10th, durable paving or decking. Choose high-quality, low-maintenance materials like concrete pavers, natural stone, or composite decking for the flooring. And to complete your inspiration and spark your creativity, hear these: the compilation of the top 10 best modern courtyard garden ideas to inspire you for your next project. 1. The minimalist oasis. Focus on clean lines, a restricted color palette of grays, whites, and greens, and minimal ornamentation. Incorporate built-in seating and a single statement tree in a large, architectural planter. 2. The urban retreat. Utilize vertical gardening extensively with living walls or tiered planters. Incorporate a small water feature and comfortable lounge furniture for relaxation in a bustling city environment. 3. The geometric haven. Emphasize strong geometric shapes in the hardscaping, such as square pavers and rectangular planting beds. Use bold, contrasting colors in the planting and decorative elements. 4. The indoor-outdoor flow. Create a seamless transition between indoor and outdoor spaces with large sliding glass doors and consistent flooring materials. Extend the interior design aesthetic into the courtyard with similar furniture styles and color palettes. 5. The Mediterranean modern. Incorporate elements like whitewashed walls, terracotta pots, and drought-tolerant Mediterranean plants like lavender and olive trees, combined with sleek, modern furniture. 6. The Zen garden inspired. Design a tranquil space with smooth stones, bamboo accents, and a small pond or water basin. Focus on creating a sense of calm and serenity through minimalist planting and natural materials. 7. The entertainment hub. Designate distinct zones for dining and lounging. Incorporate an outdoor kitchen or bar area and comfortable seating for entertaining guests. Use strategic lighting to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. 8. The sculptural garden. Feature a prominent piece of outdoor sculpture as the focal point. Keep the planting simple and understated to allow the artwork to take center stage. 9. The textured courtyard. Play with different textures in the hardscaping, such as combining smooth concrete with rough stone. Introduce textural plants like ornamental grasses and succulents to add depth and visual interest. 10. The sustainable sanctuary. Utilize eco-friendly materials like reclaimed wood and recycled plastic for furniture and decking. Incorporate rainwater harvesting and plant native, drought-tolerant species to create a low-impact garden. Creating a modern courtyard garden is about more than just filling a space. It's about crafting an extension of your lifestyle, a private sanctuary that reflects contemporary design sensibilities. By focusing on clean lines, thoughtful material choices, and functional layouts, you can transform even the smallest courtyard into a stunning and enjoyable outdoor living area. We hope this guide has inspired you to design your own modern courtyard garden. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more inspiring home and garden design ideas, and don't forget to leave your questions and comments below. We love hearing about your projects.